For 40 years, we have aspired to improve the human condition through responsible access to metals at lower cost. This aspiration remains steadfast and is more relevant than ever as the world strives towards a net zero future.
Extraordinary engineering and pioneering progress for 40 years. We stand on the shoulders of giants.
RME's integrity sets the company apart. It's why mill operators choose RME. We've been committed to them for 40 years, always inventing the world's best and never letting them down.
Innovation and commitment. That's how I describe Russell Mineral Equipment.
There is no length that this company will not go to serve its customers, to make mineral processing fast, reliable and safe.
Our founding value set is safety, accountability, reliability, innovation and collaboration. This is our flag on the hill, which we all serve.
We are honoured and proud to be a part of the great Australian export success story that is RME.